Hi, this is John De Leon, and this is Ideology of MMM. Unfair Financial Order. We are working 8 to 12 hours a day, and still salary received is never enough. Rich keep getting richer, and the poor are getting poorer. We are slaves to the bank, debtors, and financiers, because we depend on them to purchase such food, cars, houses, and even pay for our kids' education. This is not by mistake. It is the unfair financial world order designed to make you work throughout your life. This is not the word for the people. It is the word of those who have money. MMM has found the solution to free us from being slave to our debtors and financiers. What is MMM? MMM stands for Mabrodi Mondial Money Box, a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. Peer-to-peer system. Participants transfer donations directly to the accounts of the other participants. It's not a bank, not business, not a company or investment. It has no central account. MMM doesn't collect money. Participants directly send donation to each recipient. No promises, no guarantee. Since it's the donation, the donor doesn't expect something in return. Who is the founder of MMM? Sergey Mabrodi. Sergey Mabrodi is the founder and leader of MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergey Mabrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating system. The company he founded was the one leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. Two of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into song. How does it work? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing that MMM demands from each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. Assistance provided transformed into Mabros, a virtual currency of MMM. Mabros amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week, on Tuesday and Thursday. This sum in Mabros show how much you can request yourself. For example, if you donate 5,000, the 30% growth for 30 days is 1,500. After a month, you will get a total of 6,500. It will continue to grow until you decide to get help from the community. MMM Advantage. MMM gives a lot of rewards. 30% per month of your provided help. 10% referral bonus for help made by people you invited to MMM, your friends, relatives, acquaintances, etc. registration bonus of $20, $50, and $100 bonuses for first help, 5% bonus for video after get help. Registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participants receive a bonus in the amount of $20 if you donate $50 to $499 and $50 if you donate $500 to $2,999 and $100 if you donate more than $3,000. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all deposits of the participants you invited. Inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to its development. But nobody forced the members of the community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understanding that the MMM network can exist without development and participants. Encouragement in the form of referral bonuses motivate many people to take an active position. Lottery. All participants of the community with confirmed members have the opportunity to participate in a weekly lottery. To take part in the lottery, you don't need to pay. You just need to guess the numbers and click Remember My Choice. Draw is every Wednesday 3 p.m. and this is absolutely free. Information about MMM. MMM is a global widespread. Over 138 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity and $14 billion assistance provided. The fastest growing community of people in the world. MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. Goals of MMM. Help all the people in the world. Stop economic slavery. Financial literacy. Create a new fair financial relationship in the community. Spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Join MMM now. Together, we can change the world.